Hi there. I've run into this a couple of times in the new Outlook when I wanted to paste a picture into a meeting event. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say I'm kind of interested in a networking event, so I might right click and copy the image and then come over and start a new calendar item and Ctrl+V paste. Now, you saw the picture flash up there, but it didn't actually stay that way. It put a little image there, and I want to go right click on that and say, hey, paste that as an image. That way it'll put the full graphic in there. Now, what I also might do in the event, I'll go ahead and fill out the title and the time and all of those things. But if I wanted to also add the link into the notes here, I would do that as well. So, hope this helps you out. It's a tip I find myself using quite a bit. Have a great day.